USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you. And then you can click on this link which says swing like a pro. So click on this link, come to this page right here where you can check out these setups and my trades, recent trades here. So you can click on any of these videos and you can watch them. There are many videos which you can go and check out, okay? And then if you want to enter and exit with me, then you can join this program, Swing Like a Pro. And if you want to talk to me one-to-one, you can go consultation right here. And always join my free Telegram. So go and get into my Telegram. And coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above weekly we are above the EMA, taking a pullback. So the time will tell if it's a pullback or continuation to the downtrend. But for now, we are above the EMA. Daily is below the EMA, 4 hour is below the EMA. So two time frames are below the EMA, but normally I don't trade USDCAD anyway. Okay, if you have Euro, USD, GPUs, if you have these three trades in dollar pairs, if you have these two in dollar pairs, why would you trade anything else? Rest you have to be smart. So we made a new low. Okay, so this and this we made a new low. So look for shorts after pullback in 4 hour. But again, you know when the trend is reversing, okay? So as for the definition, you can look for shorts after pullback in 4 hour, but free analysis is free analysis, okay? That's why everybody does it. Nobody tells you everything for free. For example, free analysis is one thing, but precise entry and exit is another thing. You know, you don't know when I'm going to enter my trade. That does not come under any analysis. That comes under my own analysis, which you don't get to know for free, okay? So free analysis is fine, but if I would be you, I don't make entries based on some analysis. You know, even though my analysis is fine, it's good. But there are more factors I have to consider when I have to take a solid entry, okay? Or maybe book my profits. So free analysis gives you just hint, but it tells you maybe only 10% of the job. You still need to know 90%, which nobody will tell you for free, okay? So anyways, if you like these videos, subscribe, like and share. And if you want to enter and exit with me precisely, then join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.